Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aditya Arora and I make videos on finance, startups and investments. If you haven't watched my introduction video, go ahead and watch it now. So let's get started. What is Lean Canvas business model? What is it used for? Is it helpful and useful for your business? I'm here to answer all of your questions. Why do you need a business model for? You need business model to gain the trust of stakeholders in your business, to make sure your business can be sustainable in the long run, to make sure your business can be sustainable to the changing customers and changing industry trends. Let's dig deeper and understand the 8 blocks of Lean Canvas business model. The first block is called problem. Without an effective problem, you can't offer an effective solution. So make sure that you are listing down all of the problems that your customer face and keeping that on priority, you list them down and try to find solutions for the same. The second block talks about solution. You're not going to get the solution right off the bat, and trust me, it's okay. What you need to do is get out of the building. A phrase coined by Steve Blanks, the father of lean startups. Blanks believed that the solution is not in your office, it's out there in the streets, it's in the people. So interview your customers, ask them relevant questions, conduct surveys, and utilize all of those learnings to make meaningful conclusions. Only then will you understand the solution you are providing to the problem. The next block talks about cost structure. So make sure in this block you write down all the operational cost involved in your business. What is your monthly aggregate cost? What is your burn rate? What is the cost of interviewing your customers? Your direct cost, your indirect cost. Make sure you list all of them down in this block. The next block talks about unique value proposition. What is a unique value proposition? Unique value proposition is something which differentiates you from your competitors. It is the primary reason why a prospect is inspired to buy from you and not from the others. A way to get a clear picture of this is to think, why are you different and why should customers invest time in your company? Congratulations, we have completed one side of the model. Let's dig into the other side, which talks about how do we make money. The first block on the other side of the Lean Canvas business model is customer segments. Customer segments talk about who our customers are, what do they really think, what are their preferences. For example, the customer segment of Airbnb has 2 types of people. One are the travelers who book places, and the other are the property owners who give their places on rent to the travelers. So list your customers down and list them, all of them in this block. Customer is the king. Love your customers so that they can love you. So make sure you're writing down a strategy so that you can plan ways to interact with your customers and retain them through the channels which you listed in the previous block. Next block talks about unfair advantage. What's your secret sauce? What is something that cannot be copied or brought from you? What is your experience of building this product or service? So make sure that you figure out your secret sauce and you write down as your unfair advantage. The next block of Lean Canvas business model talks about channels. Channels are acquisition strategies for customers. In simpler words, it will talk about how will you reach to your customers and how will you get them. So make sure you're writing down your channels. It can be social media, it can be newspapers, advertisements, magazines. You write all of that down and you also write a strategy of how will you retain those customers. That is very, very important for your business. Every business, irrespective of the industry or size, has some key metrics which basically act as performance indicators for their business. Figure out what can be the key metrics for your business. They can be anything: number of users, number of downloads, active users, active fallout rates. So make sure you know what the key metrics of your business are. You write all of that down in this block here. The next, the last, and the most important block is called revenue streams. Revenue is the lifeline of any business. This is one of the most important blocks of the Lean Canvas business model. So make sure in this block you write how are you going to generate revenue. It can be anything. It can be a subscription, direct selling, or a one-time cost. So for example, Zoom has a freemium model where they basically give a part of the product for free and then charge for additional features of the product. Or it can be a recurring fee as well, like Netflix, where you pay monthly or annually your subscription charges. So make sure you figure out that what is the right revenue stream for your business and you write it down to generate revenue from your customers. We've come towards the end of the video. To sum it up, Lean Canvas business model is a perfect one-pager to brainstorm your $1 million business idea. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you tune in the next time. Hit the subscribe icon if you haven't. Share this video with your friends so that they can start off with their $1 million business idea right away. Till then, it's your far guy Aditya Arora signing off.